crafty friends. I hope you're having a spooktacular day today. Welcome to day 3 of the 13 days of Halloween craft series hosted by Rosa Kelly Scrapbooking, Elizabeth Garza from Live, Craft, and Love, and yours truly, Robyn Pitts with Sir Chauncey Rocco Creative Designs. I have a quick and fun project to share with you. This project was inspired by KK Creations. We did a Halloween tag swap last year, and in my package, she included this adorable little mini loaded envelope that also had a flip book in the back. Before I show you this project, let me tell you the paper that I'm using. This is by Photoplay, and it is the Matilda and Godfrey collection. I think this is so cute. This is a project that I've created, and I have not finished putting in all of the bells and whistles, but I love the way it's turning out so far. And I also found these really fun and whimsical Halloween sprays. I've never seen a green ghost, but he looks very happy. On the front, you have this large pocket, and it's actually a box, so it makes the loaded envelope very sturdy. And then you have an accordion pocket here in the front. When you flip this over, I have the pockets held together with a magnet. And on the first page, there's room for a pocket. Here we have the cute little plastic folders to include mini photos. We have another large page here for a photo. Here's another space. And then what I did differently in this loaded envelope is that I included a waterfall feature. This was not included in KK Creations' original tutorial, but I thought it made sense and also a great way to store your fun Halloween memories. This concludes my review of my Loaded Envelope mini album. Please check back in the next few days to see how I finished embellishing this project. Hopefully I've inspired you with some fun and creative ideas. Also, don't forget to visit the other participants in this craft series, Rosa Kelly Scrapbooking and Elizabeth Garza from Live, Craft, and Love. Thank you so much, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Happy hauntings. Bye for now.